Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live. Major averages here in the U.S. trying to make up their mind out the gate on this trading week, this new trading week in the holiday season. Let's get to Yahoo Finance's Jared Blikre at the Wi-Fi Interactive for more on today's tape. Jared.
All right. Well, don't count the market out this week. We still got a lot to handle. And usually it is kind of unusual that the Christmas week, we do actually have 5 days of trading. So let's go through what we're looking at right now. Dow down just slightly. S&P 500 about treading water. NASDAQ down about 0.33%. And let's check out the sector action. And we can see here energy, that is in the forefront. That's up 0.6%, followed by industrials, financials, staples, utilities. So interesting mix of the value and then some of the more defensive plays right here. That's what's in the green today. And then to the downside, communication services, that's down 0.7%. And let me just focus on the broader market for a second. Then we got some stuff to dig into with respect to China. First, I want to show you the S&P 500. Here is a 6-month chart. Now, we have been bouncing around in this trading range for several weeks, in fact, over a month, and now we have broken below. So that probably is not the best construction for a Santa Claus rally, but who knows? Anything can happen. In fact, that's supposed to take effect, kick in later this week, so not even right now. Just checking in on some of the moves that we're seeing in the bond market. 8 basis points to the upside is a fairly large move, but still within the recent range, so I'm not going to make too much of that. So without further ado, let's go to the China stocks here, and something that kind of flew under the radar last week. There was a 2-day economic symposium that wrapped up, and President Xi made some statements, and they were echoed over the weekend in some of the communist papers. And so I think the bottom line is they are going to focus on consumption, and they're also going to be stimulating their economy there and the private sector in ways they have not done for years. So over the last 2 months, this has been a leading sector. Here's some of the price action of the components of the NASDAQ Golden Dragon Index, and you can see what a tear they've been on. Now, is this the all clear for the entire sector? I don't think so, but I have noticed that this is a marked change in tone for what has been a government that's very hostile to capital markets over the last few years, guys.
Jared Blikre, top analysis always. Appreciate it.